Hello guys, welcome back to our video part 8. In a monolithic scenario within DevOps, the development, deployment, and maintenance processes revolve around a single, large application code base. Here's how DevOps practices can be applied in a monolithic architecture. 1. Continuous integration (CI). Developers continuously integrate their code changes into the monolithic code base. CI servers automatically build and test the entire application whenever new code is pushed, ensuring that integration issues are caught early. 2. Automated testing. A comprehensive suite of automated tests, including unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests, is executed as part of the CI process. This helps maintain code quality, prevent regressions, and ensure that the monolithic application behaves as expected. 3. Continuous deployment (CD). Once code changes pass automated tests, they are automatically deployed to production or staging environments. CD pipelines facilitate the rapid and reliable deployment of new features and bug fixes to users. 4. Environment management. DevOps teams manage multiple environments, such as development, testing, staging, and production, to support the deployment pipeline. Automated provisioning and configuration management tools are used to ensure consistency across environments. 5. Monitoring and logging. Real-time monitoring and logging tools are employed to track the performance, availability, and usage of the monolithic application. DevOps teams leverage monitoring data to detect issues, troubleshoot problems, and optimize performance. 6. Scalability and resource management. DevOps practices are applied to ensure that the monolithic application can scale to handle increased user load and resource demands. Horizontal and vertical scaling strategies are implemented, and resources are efficiently managed to meet performance requirements. 7. Incremental updates. In a monolithic architecture, updates and enhancements are typically rolled out incrementally rather than as separate microservices. DevOps practices enable teams to deliver incremental updates to the monolithic application while minimizing downtime and disruption to users. Despite its challenges, such as longer release cycles and increased complexity, DevOps practices can greatly improve the efficiency, quality, and reliability of software development and deployment in a monolithic scenario. Continuous integration, automated testing, deployment automation, and monitoring are key pillars of DevOps that can be applied effectively to monolithic architectures. That's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like to love these video then like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, take care. Last but not least, knowledge is a power.